In this video, I'll detail how to turn off burst mode on iPhone timer. So when you're using iPhone camera with timer, and then you discover that once you click on the shutter button, this is going to take a burst photo, and this is going to be like 10 different photos at a time. So that's 10. If I open the photo like this, then you're going to see burst photo. I can just click on this to view all the photo taken with the burst photo on my iPhone or photo. This is going to reveal the 10 photo I took. However, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off the burst photo mode while using timer on your iPhone 6 camera. So if I don't know this video, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to turn off burst mode on iPhone timer on your iPhone 6, all you just need to do is open the camera like this. Once you open the camera, there are two options available here for iPhone 6 users. Locate HDR at the top, click on that. Then make sure HDR is enabled. Then once HDR is enabled, you can just go ahead, turn on the timer, then choose your timer, then if you see HDR, then go ahead and click on the shutter button. After the countdown, this is going to take the photo without burst. Is that HDR? Then additionally, you can also take a photo on your iPhone 6 with timer without HDR or with HDR disabled. Then all you just need to do is go ahead and enable live. Then once turned on live, tap the shutter button, and this is going to take the photo on your iPhone 6 without burst and timer. However, in live, all you just need to do to save the photo properly without enabling live on the photo taken on your iPhone without the burst mode in timer is just click on this drop menu on live, and then you want to disable live. So make sure live is disabled by clicking on live again. Then you see that and live is going to disable. Once live is disabled, this is going to save the photo normally. With or without live saved on the photo, you can turn off burst mode iPhone timer on your iPhone 6. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.